time to short absolutely everything. What is going on, everyone? Happy Monday. Welcome back to the channel. Shit's getting serious. We had JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon announce that within the next 6 months alone, the United States is going to be in a recession, with the Eurozone already deep into one. The question now is, how long is this going to last? And what do we need to do going forward? All risk assets are sliding off. Commodities, equities, cryptos, everything is falling off a cliff. As I have been reiterating, the current narrative simply stems from dollar higher, risk off, and that is exactly what we have to do. Continue buying dollar and short everything else. Currently in 2 trades for myself already today, one being the Dow Jones short and the other one a Euro Yen short, running off the back of what I mentioned last week. Let's jump straight into it. Right, so Dow Jones, the first position of today. Dow Jones US 30 came into a key area of interest of mine, noticing and understanding that the current narrative simply stems off dollar higher, risk off. Such a clean trading opportunity there. So just looking at dollar is stretching higher, right? From my Sunday analysis, dollar is stretching higher. Nothing really to change or to write home about on that position. And yeah, Dow Jones, beautiful little entry over there. Price came into a key area of interest of mine in and around that 29,400 handle. What did I do? As I mentioned, every single trade, you want to wait for that reversal and you want to jump on the back of it from the highest possible place. Looking at the Dow over here on the 5-minute time frame, we did have that nice little breakout retest of my area of interest. So when the market comes into a key area of interest, you are waiting for that reversal, you're waiting for that correction before that continuation in that initial direction. So the same thing happened over here on the Dow. We just draw my fib from the high to the low, right? It's not about what it is, it's about where it is. You are then looking for key areas of interest when you are obviously trading these sort of moves. Now the beauty of this is you want to understand that every impulsive move that the market gives you, we're going to have those peaks and those troughs, right? Buyers and sellers. The market does obviously contain buyers and sellers, so that is going to give us those peaks and those troughs, right? So Dow right now running extremely beautiful on this position. Currently at 29,000 on the sort of handle. I don't know why this isn't sticking. Come on. There you go. At least you guys got my fib sayings on that one as well. So Dow currently running beautifully. I am targeting 28,800 overall. So hopefully we do have that follow through overnight. Looking at this on the hourly, price does look extremely bearish. Don't know why this is so delayed every time I screen record. I don't know what's going on here. Trading View is trying to stop us, but we won't stop at all. Right, so looking on the hourly, price is looking extremely bearish. What did I do? I simply sold the rallies. That's all you have to do in these conditions. These conditions do not stem from us buying anything. They stem simply from us selling everything from the highest possible point that we can. So Dow Jones was the first position. Then we had Euro Yen as the second position. I don't know what this mouse is doing. Battery's probably flat. There we go. Euro Yen. Beautiful little retest of that 141.50 that I mentioned on my Sunday breakdown. There again, price came into a key area of interest that we broke back below during the day. Yeah, price came back below this level of 141.50. We had that correction straight into the highs before then jumping into the trade overall. On a 15-minute time frame, I would just say we do have a make or break level. We do have a make or break level at 141.150 over there around where my crosshair is. What is a make or break level? A make or break level is an area of interest, a line in the sand, if you want to call it that. The market has to remain below in this sort of scenario for the trade to remain relevant. There again, this is just to manage your expectations. That's something that I do to understand that fine. If there is a price or an area of interest in between my trade, I need to understand that there are going to be fluctuations in the P&L, and I have to be okay with that. So that's pretty much what I have so far this morning. Looking at gold as well. Gold sliding off the face of the earth, 1668. There again, looking at gold, a slippery slope. There is simply no demand. What the Federal Reserve currently are doing is known notoriously as demand destruction. Commodities don't blend well with recessions, and that is exactly what the Fed have to do right now. Push the economy into recession to completely stop people's spending. So this was just a quick market update, but please do keep in mind when you are trading the current narrative, dollar is firm, risk is off. You got to trade the current narrative, treat everything with respect to that, and don't go buying anything irrationally because that's not the conditions to do so. The cryptocurrency market, very, very similar as well. Bitcoin resting on that 19K handle that is imminently going to break. So do keep that one in mind. Do like, share, comment, subscribe to this video. Do remember, don't buy everything, short everything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.